All right, so today is the 1st of May 2026, and we're finally done with April, which closed pretty decent. I'm not gonna lie, even though I'm very bearish myself, it closed decent. But we'll get into the news, data, and charts after I mention that this content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making financial decisions. And with that being said, let's get into the most important, in my opinion. People don't really realize how important this is. Annual US inflation surges to 3.5% in March, the biggest rise since May 2023. So, macro is heating up again. Inflation, like I said, 3.5, which basically changes the game. That's the kind of number that reminds markets that easy money era is it's not fully back yet, right? And crypto does care about liquidity, even if people pretend it doesn't. Now, on top of that, we can see that USDT dominance is holding up. So just like Ted is saying here, it's still above its 7-month uptrend, which is quietly risk-off behavior. So basically, when USDT rises or stays elevated, it usually means capital is not aggressively rotating into crypto. So it's sitting on the sideline. Calling this a bull trap isn't really crazy. It's basically saying price is up, but conviction isn't. So on top of that, if we look at Borg here, he's mentioning that whales are shorting while retail is going long. So this is very, very important for us guys, because I usually personally I do what whales are doing instead of retail, because they know more info that we do. Now if we look on Velo, we can see that open interest is relatively stable. It's not exploding, no aggressive new positioning. This isn't like an euphoric leverage driven breakout. And indeed, we got down to 75 and now we're climbing slowly back up. But like I said, volume again not screaming higher, and real demand isn't stamping in. So I would just believe that okay, we're taking some liquidity from the upside and then finally lower, just like some YouTuber that I'm watching is saying like stairs up, elevator down. Now funding rates, yeah, it's hovering around neutral to slightly negative. Sorry, at the moment it's positive, but yeah, it just turned positive today. Yeah, well, it's just, I don't know, it's neutral to be honest at the moment, I would say. Um, but I don't know, traders aren't heavily long. Like, if anything, there's hesitation or maybe mild short bias. I don't know, guys. This just doesn't look like strong conviction buying. It looks like a market drifting upward while participants don't fully believe it, I guess. Now, if we take a short look, I wanted to take a short look here on whale trades. Oh, okay, so this is uncertain at the moment. Interesting. But if you see here on the 24-hour, there's not much liquidations going on. Like, it's very chill. And daily exchange volume, it's still low. Now, I just wanted to check really quickly the liquidation heat map. Okay, so the symbol, we go on the symbol. On the 24-hour, yeah, oh, okay. So on the 24-hour, there's quite decent clusters at 75, 700. Now let's look on the monthly. If we look on the monthly, okay, there's some, yeah, this is why oh, okay. Yeah, so I wouldn't be surprised if it goes back here before we go lower. Man, these people, I can't believe they are leveraging like this. Like, what is this? Okay, so I guess this is what's driving prices higher. Let me look on the 3-month. Okay, this is literally the first time I'm checking this today. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, that's crazy. Wow, that's crazy, man. I can't believe this. All right, so I wouldn't be surprised if we take these out because there's a lot of money here. Let's check the charts as well. So like I said, the monthly closed very nicely. I mean, I cannot lie, it closed nicely. Now, if we check the daily, not much has changed. Let's see, where's the Monday high, Monday low? Okay, so we're above the Monday low. Okay, we're above the Monday low. Now, if I get my trends back in here, but this is the good part. We broke out of this parallel channel, right? And well, it's not, at least it stopped moving up so aggressively. Like this entire move, this whole impulsive move to the upside is finally gone. So, I mean, finally stopped or paused, so to speak. If we get our rectangles, not this one. Yeah. So we are still below the order block, which thankfully we're still below it. Now, if I'm getting not this, this is on the. Oh, okay, so not these. I wanted to check something else. We still have support. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, not much has changed. If I'm checking this, we're still in this, whatever you want to call it, rising wedge, or yeah. So we can. I wouldn't be surprised. One last push. One last push to the upside, 80k. Take out all of that liquidity that we have seen here, because this is literally insane. And then finally the breakdown. I just cannot believe that after all the economical, political uh, news that we've got, that the price is gonna keep climbing higher. I don't know. I just cannot believe that. And volume as well dropping. Whales shorting. You have to take everything into consideration, guys, before we make a decision, right? Now, if I take it from this swing here to here, yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's holding us surprisingly well, man. Like, okay, let me get on the hourly. Let me get on the hourly. So if we do, yeah, I don't even know. Oh, okay. So if we do from the high here to the low, yeah, okay. So it had some, well, it definitely got some reaction from the 618, which is good. It's really good for the bears. And now from the 50%, I'm hoping from here it will drop even lower. So from here lower, okay? That's what I'm hoping. And then it's looking good for the bears. Otherwise, we're cooked. My short is cooked, and we, the bears, are very cooked. So I'll see you guys on Monday. Hopefully this weekend will be chill, and it won't break out to the upside again, and we will finally see some big dump. So I'll see you on Monday.